Okay, so let's move to this question. Question number 4. ABC Limited is following ABC, that is activity based costing. Okay, yeah. Budgeted overheads and cost driver volumes are as follows. So they have given you this cost pool. Okay, so this is my cost pool. Yera, this is the cost pool, and this is the activity, cost activity, or you can call it as activity. Okay, और ये है तुम्हारा cost pool. Obviously, sum में सबसे पहले आपको यही identify करना है, right? Next, okay, cost drivers are given to you. So these are the cost drivers, the basis on which your cost pool will be divided or your activity will be apportioned. Then this is your cost driver capacity. When your cost driver is given in terms of quantity, it is your cost driver capacity. So nice sum, everything is, the platter is available, full platter is available. You don't even have to identify it or calculate anything. Everything is ready-made given in the question. Activity is mentioned, cost pool is mentioned, cost driver is mentioned, and cost driver capacity is also calculated, which is generally missing in the question. Okay, the company has produced a batch of 5,200 components. So these are the units produced. Okay, its material cost, so this is direct material, is 2,60,000, and labor cost, so this is direct labor, is 4,90,000. Usage activities they have given: material orders 52, material movement 36. Okay, fine. Then setups 50, maintenance hours 1380, and quality control inspection 56, machine hours 3,600. Okay, so let us see how to use this information and for what purpose it can be handled. Calculate what they have said: cost driver rates and cost of batch of components. Okay, so in short हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are applying ABC. तो जब हम ABC apply करते हैं तो you all know what do we do, right? We have to first calculate the cost driver rate, and then we have to calculate the total cost or the cost per unit of the product. Okay, yeah. Is the question clear to everyone? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Question is clear to everyone? Yeah. Okay, fine. Thank you. So let us move on first to calculate the cost driver rate. Okay. Yeah. Start. Okay. So these are your activities: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 activities divided as material procurement, material handling, maintenance, setup, quality control cost, and machiners or machinery. Okay. So these are the cost pools given: cost drivers, cost driver capacity, and since we have been doing so many sums, you all know the formula of cost driver rate, that is cost pool divided by cost driver capacity. Okay. So 11,60,000 divided by 2,200. So 527 per order, round off कर दिया है. Next, 5 lakhs divided by 1360, number of movements 367, so I've made it 368 per movement. Next, maintenance hours, it's 19,40,000 divided by 16,800, so 115. I've rounded off, okay, per maintenance hours. Then next, 8,30,000 divided by 1040, so 798 per setup. Okay, whatever is your cost driver, that word you are going to use in your cost driver rate. Okay, so if it is number of orders, I'll say rupees 527 per order. Number of movements, so I will say rupees 368 per movement. Maintenance hours, I will say 115 per maintenance hours. Okay, number of setups, so whatever answer I get, 798 per setup, like this. I hope this is clear to everyone. The cost unit calculation, yeah, I mean the cost driver calculation. 3,52,000 divided by 1,800 makes it to 195. You can round off, yeah. You can make it 196 also per inspection. And 14,40,000 divided by 48,000 makes it to 30 rupees per maintenance hours. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so identifying your cost driver in cases where, in sums where cost driver is not mentioned, but information will be, given about how your activity will be apportioned. Okay, by reading the sum itself, you will come to know that this is a cost driver and here activity is cost driver se divide. Okay. Okay, so is this clear till here? Have you all noted down the CDR? Yeah? Okay, fine. So next, we'll move on to this computation of cost. Okay. So how are you going to compute your cost? Material is given to you. Yeah. Direct cost plus indirect cost, correct? So direct cost may I have direct material and direct labor, which is mentioned here. 2,60,000 and 4,90,000. Okay. And units produced is also mentioned 5,200. So 2,60,000 divided by 5,200. So that makes it to 50 rupees per component, right? Next, 4,90,000 divided by 5,200. So 94.23 per component. Then calculate prime cost for the same. So 2,60,000 plus 4,90,000 makes it to 7,50,000. Divide with 5,200 component. So 104, 144.23. Okay. And then next, you have to calculate what? The indirect part. So this is my indirect cost. So indirect cost here is based on ABCS. That means I will look into the activity that has happened. Okay. So these are the 6 activities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Huh. Now, how do you calculate the amount for these activities? Quantity multiplied with the rates. Okay. Now, material procurement. Now, can you see your usage activities is given to you here? Individual 52, 36, 50, 1380, 56, and 3600. You will multiply with the cost driver rate. Usage activity, that's the quantity, multiplied with the rate. Which rate you have in ABCS? You have the cost driver rate. Okay. So individual rates we just calculated. This one. 527, 368, 115, 798, 195, and 30. Okay. So these rates you'll have to take. So 52 into 527. Next 36 into 368. Next 50 into 798. Then 1380 into 115. Okay. Next 56 into 195. Then 3600 into 30. Okay. And while you are doing this, you can even go for a shortcut. You can press M plus M plus, and last में MRC, so that you can directly get the total. So you can do it separately also, or you can calculate it within the cost statement that you are doing. Okay, this is the computation, right? So directly add this to prime cost total. Yeah, 1 lakh, how much? 10,920 plus 1,58,700 plus 39,900 plus 13,248 plus 27,404. Okay, plus the prime cost 7,50,000. So 11 lakh 8 172 divided by the units produced, that is 5,200 components. So my cost price is 213.1. Okay, so it is always advisable to quantify CPU as well as total cost. So you always try to calculate in terms of per unit also as well as total cost also. Am I clear? Is it clear till here? Okay, so this completes this question.